The DA and the prosecutors had plenty to say after today's verdict was quickly rendered. News 4's Michelle McClintock continues our team coverage now.
It may have seemed to the general public that this was an open and shut case, but prosecutors never assumed that it would be a verdict easily handed to them, despite a mountain of evidence and witnesses to back their case. For 4 days, the prosecution went through 22 witnesses to prove that Muzzammil Hassan was not the victim he was claiming to be.
In his twisted mind, he really believes that what he did was justified.
Colleen Curtin-Gable was emotional during her summation. This is a case she's been working on since the night Asia Zubair was brutally killed.
And there comes a point where, although you look at cases very clinically so that you can do your job, that you do think of the victim, the person that she was, the person she could have been, the children she left behind, and the person who did this to her. And it does bring out an emotional reaction in you. You can't help it.
Prosecutors talked about how the people's case actually benefited from some of Hassan's cross-examination.
Everything Dr. Horowitz said supported our theory of the case, and what really sort of surprised me was the defendant was reacting as though he was getting information that would benefit him.
Curtin-Gable says it's the first time she was up against a pro se attorney. Hassan's inexperience and lack of courtroom etiquette showed, often frustrating the prosecution.
Maybe I got a little heated at times, but I think he deserved it.
And many people are wondering why the prosecution didn't seek a murder in the first-degree charge. And that's because in New York State, the charge would have to include an additional aggravating factor with an intentional murder charge, such as a contract killing or the killing of a police officer. Reporting live, Michelle McClintock for the 10 o'clock news.